Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I am going to recommend a software company from small cap space, and I expect this company to become a mid cap company in a short span of time because the management of the company is very aggressive and the company had the capacity to become a mid cap company. The name of the company is Avantel Limited. Apart from software space, it is a satellite communication and wireless system provider. It also recently decided to enter into MSS service market, particularly in the field of satellite vehicle tracking, which had a great scope in future. And the company has recently launched its wholly owned subsidiary in US market also. So the capacity is very large, the management of the company is very good, and the client base of the company is very good. It had a client base of so many public sector units and very big companies like L&T. Its main clients include IRCTC, Indian Railways, Indian Army, L&T, etc. So, and further it had in talk with so many other very giant players to have business. So if it is come in force, the company will fly from here. So we have to grab such a share from its young age itself. One another particular about this company is just like Ansel Industries. When the share was trading at 40 rupees, the EPS is only 8 rupees. Now the share is trading in 420 range and the EPS of the company is 36 rupees. That means every quarter the company is showing profit. So this is the main reason I recommended this share. So let us look the valuations of the company. The EPS of the company is 38 rupees. Every quarter the EPS is going up and up. And the PE ratio company is 11 rupees 50 paisa against an industrial PE of 37. So when the company was trading at 120 range, his PE is near to 20 rupees. Now the share is trading to 420 rupees and the PE ratio come from 20 to 11 rupees 50 paisa. And the promoters holding the share is 40%. 0% was pledged by the company, and the NG is a free debt company. No debt was there in the company. So everything is positive for the company in base of valuation. And book value of the company is 163 rupees. In last March quarter, the company shows a profit of 5 crores against 1 crore profit in the last March. The share capital is only 4 crores. Only 4 crore capital is there. So there is a lot of potential to become a multi-bagger. And the reserve of 62 crores is there. And this is the main thing when we consider about the Avantel Limited. I expect the share to move to 665 levels in a 2 to 3 months period. And the people who is ready to wait for a long time can expect a rate of 1000 rupees and more. So one more thing, if I have like to recommend a company for short-term purposes speculation, let us bet for a Sun TV. It may go to 800, 900 levels. This is speculative share. Just give a tip about that. So this is my personal view about these two companies. So you please consider your own advice before taking position in this company. If anyone not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like it, share to your friends and relatives, and please don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you very much.